Hello everyone. 99SMART. Since the peak of 2.62, it has fallen to near the historical low of 1.85. Is it possible to catch the bottom now? Now we will use 6 angles, interpretation and comprehensive analysis for you. Trend form, support and resistance. Moving average technical indicator. MACD summary of personal opinions. For comprehensive analysis, keep watching. Good. Let's get started. '99SMART closed at 2 o'clock today. Starting from 2 cents fine, let's look directly at the technical diagram. First, look at the distant picture. The stock price has risen from the lowest price of about 1.85. Just keep getting up after a big wave to the historical high of 2.62. Started to fall down, it has fallen to a recent low of 1.95. Bounce back a little. After rebounding, it was pushed down again to around 1.95, almost back to square one. The stock price is also a bit cheap. The current problem is, can I fish the bottom? Let's look back at the recent picture. From the overall trend, 99SMART is still in a downward trend. All moving averages are still diverging downwards. In short position, Air Force still has the dominant advantage. From the analysis of quantity and price, the stock price has not fluctuated much recently. The trading volume is also flat, but on March 21st, the stock price closed with a small negative line. But the trading volume is the largest in recent times, a bit abnormal. Afterwards, the trading volume returned to normal, have to attract attention. Judging from personal experience, the current stock price has fallen to a recent low point. It is unlikely that the dealer or the main force will lose the ticket. There's no bad news. What about retail investors losing their tickets? Impossible. Retail investors have lost half their lives, unless you are waiting for money. Otherwise, I will cling to the one who died with it. Having been a retail investor for decades, I am still very clear about this, if none of the previous guesses are true. So what can be explained is, someone is changing hands or absorbing funds here. If the guess is correct, then the stock price bottom is not far away. The current support is at 1.95. It is a recent low. The historical support point is 1.85. Resistance at 2.04. The second resistance is at 2.10. Technical indicator MACD is still underwater. That is, it fluctuates below the zero axis. It is also on a downward trend. The two lines are currently fluctuating sideways. No fluctuations, no clear instructions yet, judging from the situation, moving average and MACD indicators. 99SMART is currently in a downward trend, but if you look closely at its shape, after falling to the support level of 1.95, it can't fall any lower for the time being. There are signs of a temporary halt in the decline if the stock price does not fall below the 1.95 support and stopped falling and rose. Then there is hope that a small double bottom pattern will form. After the formation, the stock price will generally start to rebound. If it can break through the resistance of 2.04, it will go up. Then the rebound wave will become more and more obvious. Therefore, after comprehensive analysis, personal opinion. The stock price has fallen sharply. The power of the Air Force has been unleashed. There are signs of a halt in the decline. There is hope for a small double bottom pattern. The risk of bottom fishing is not very high. 99SMART advertising slogan. Close and cheap if we compare the current price of $2 and the peak price of $2.62. Nearly 30% cheaper. Cheap already has. And if its proximity can evolve into the later strength, it's pretty good. Okay, that's all for today.